How is it going, guys? Steven from Break Free Homestead. Today we are going to be foam insulating our 14 by 14 edition. Now for this, I went ahead and got a 600 board foot pack and then a 200 board foot pack, and that should be enough according to my calculations. But we're gonna go ahead and do the 200 first, see how far it gets us and see what we're looking like. And then we will switch over to the 600. We were gonna do this last night, but it was a little bit too cold on the tanks. There's a little temperature gauge in there, and it was sitting inside the addition, and from the morning time, the cold air coming in made it too cold. So we had to warm it up overnight in the bathroom. I just used a space heater in there, got it to the right temperature we want. So it is at the right temperature, and we're gonna go this morning. Real quick, I'm gonna put my Tyvek suit on, a respirator, and then we're gonna do goggles so we don't get anything on us. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so I just finished that 200 can, or that 200 pack. We got a pretty good chunk done. My method to madness with this is, why don't we spray a thinner layer as much as we can, because we don't want to run short. So basically we'll go thinner and then come back with a second layer and thicken it up. You're also supposed to do that because if you spray too much at one time, it can drop and sag. So that's what you're supposed to do anyway, but let's look under there, see what we got so far. We kind of just started on this outside, and then we started going in. We had a good chunk over there, and to that first support right there in the middle. A couple bays over here we didn't do, but that's a pretty good chunk. That's almost half the deck with 200, so maybe another 250. We will have this whole thing one layer, and then we have to just double up with the rest of it. And we're giving extra foam on the side here. This is where our heater line is, our hot water line to our radiant heat. So we're making sure that has a nice good amount of insulation on it, as you don't want that to freeze or be exposed. That would not be good. Sorry if the camera views kind of suck. It's kind of hard. There's really only about 18 inches under there, so it's kind of hard to record a second person under there, and you have to be very quick with this stuff. Like, if you don't keep going, you'll clog the tip up. It's 30 seconds, you have to replace the tip. I went through that whole thing with one tip. I think we could have replaced it 3/4 of the way through, so we'll probably replace some on this 800 pack. Even though I was continuously spraying, it kind of just builds up, and that stuff is drying really fast. All right, guys, so I just wrapped that up, and I feel like I got pretty good coverage. Let's go over things if I was gonna do it again. So if you're gonna do this, things for you. First off, ow. You tape your wrists to your gloves. That might help a little bit, because definitely when I'm reaching up, I got overspray on my wrists. So that will feel great pulling all that hair out. What else? If you could get a hood to go around your goggles, because I have a little bit of my face. What else? The goggles. At first I was just spraying willy-nilly all under, letting some overspray hitting the goggles, and you know, at first it's not a big deal, but eventually it gets to a point where you can't see nearly anything, and I had to like move my goggles at some points to see where I was going. So just make sure from the beginning you're trying to keep your goggles out of the way, because that stuff is not coming off. I tried a razor blade to scrape it off, but that stuff is on there, so keep that in mind. I changed out the tip quite a few times on the 800 pack, and I think that seemed to help. One thing that I found was weird or hard to differentiate was the green to the blue. They're pretty close, like, so at a certain point, you know, if your goggles have a little bit of stuff on them and you're not seeing that well, I did spray some blue on the first time, and that stuff doesn't really cure, so you just kind of have to scoop it off with your hand and then just reapply with the green stuff. If this video helps you guys out at all, please drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps our channel as we grow, and we'd love to have you. We're also doing this 14 by 14 edition. If this is something you're looking to do, you should check out our playlist.